Do you realize that spring officially starts next week? That means it's time to put away those warm-you-up recipes and start thinking of dishes that are lighter and brighter. To get you going, we're sharing the perfect springtime side dish. To give this its springy feel, we begin by sauteing some diced zucchini, carrots, peppers, and onions in some butter in a skillet. Once they start getting tender, we add a package of frozen peas, or as some folks call them, spring peas, along with a couple of cups of water and a little salt and pepper. After it boils, we remove it from the heat and add in couscous. If you're not familiar with couscous, it's a type of tiny pasta that's light and fluffy, which makes it perfect for this time of year. Okay, now we'll cover this and let it sit for 5 minutes. Then we'll fluff it with a fork before serving it. There you have it, a new way to brighten up your table after a long winter. It's packed with veggies. It's super tasty, and the best part, it's done in one pan. To get the recipe for our spring vegetable couscous, all you have to do is go online. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a simple springtime way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.